Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace rear sliding window Ford Ranger. Begin by parking level, engaging the brake, and disconnecting the battery to prevent window movement. Remove personal items from the cab and lay down towels to catch glass. Put on safety glasses and gloves before touching the broken window. Gather tools like a trim tool, socket set, suction cup, and replacement glass to streamline the process safely and efficiently. Start by lowering any remaining glass and use a plastic trim tool to remove interior panels gently to avoid scratching. Unscrew the bolts that secure the window assembly and keep each fastener grouped so reinstallation is simple. Have a helper hold the glass or use a suction cup for support, then carefully lift the sliding pane out of the track. Clean the mounting area before preparing the new window for installation. Place the new glass into the door track and check alignment by sliding it gently back and forth to confirm smooth operation. Replace any worn rubber seals and apply adhesive only where specified to prevent leaks. Tighten mounting bolts incrementally and evenly, then reconnect the battery and test the window function several times. Reinstall interior trim panels, clean fingerprints from the glass, and verify there are no rattles or leaks.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.